Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Only Bio. Presenting the important points, the neat points from the chapter Hormonal Coordination, that is endocrinology, all in details. Friends, the terms or points discussed here, or rather for any chapter, have been derived from MCQs that have appeared in the various national or state level competitive exams. So questions are formed from these terms or points either in similar or modified forms. So these are beneficial as they will help you to master the important topics in limited span of time, also to frame the expected questions, do effective revision, make your own synopsis. The more MCQs you solve, the better you understand. Daily practice of maybe few minutes with me can help you to master the topics. So let's start. So in this segment, we are going to talk about the neat points from 21 to 40 on the chapter Hormonal Coordination. Point number 21. Both hormones and enzymes are synthesized by the body. That is, they are not obtained from the food. Both hormones and enzymes are easily soluble and diffusible. Next, both hormones and enzymes are required in small quantity. Next, both hormones and enzymes are not stored in the body. Now, the differences between hormones and enzymes. Point number one, hormones are chemically varied in nature, whereas enzymes are chemically proteins only. Second, hormones act as chemical messengers, whereas enzymes act as bioorganic catalysts. Third, hormones have a low molecular weight, whereas enzymes have a high molecular weight. Fourth, hormones are carried by blood, whereas enzymes are carried by duct. Fifth, hormones are used up in the physiological processes, whereas enzymes catalyze the reaction and are reusable. Sixth, hormones are not much sensitive for pH and temperature, whereas the enzymes work at particular pH and optimum temperature only. Point number 26. Hormones do not directly take part in the cell activity but affect the cell level activity or cell organelle level. For example, thyroxine hormone elevates the function of mitochondria to increase the ATP synthesis and BMR of the body. There are two receptor models for the action of hormones. First is the fixed receptor model and second is the mobile receptor model. Let's understand the fixed receptor model. It acts on extranuclear receptor site or membrane level. The hormones, which are proteins or peptides and derivatives of amino acids, follow this model. That is, this model is applicable for the non-steroid hormones. Receptors present on the cell membrane binds specific hormone which activates ACE, that is adenyl cyclase enzyme, to synthesize cyclic AMP in presence of ATP. So friends, this is a pictorial depiction for understanding how the hormone acts as per the fixed receptor model. Cyclic AMP activates the cellular level enzyme activity. For example, if glucagon binds the receptor, cyclic AMP causes glycogenolysis. If insulin binds the receptor, it changes the permeability of the cell membrane to promote the entry of glucose from the blood to the cell. Point number 29. In this, we'll understand the mobile receptor model. There is a pictorial depiction for understanding the mobile receptor model about how a hormone works. This model works for steroid hormone. The receptors are in the cell cytoplasm. Hormone receptor complex interacts with certain genes inside the nucleus and then activated genes transcribe the mRNA for synthesis of enzyme protein and promotes the metabolic activity in the cell. Actinomycin, puromycin and some synthetic drugs like Ru486 act as inhibitors of steroid hormone. Sex hormones are steroid hormones except HCGH and relaxin. HCGH is human chorionic gonadotrophic hormone. So, friends, I am sure that this series will help you. There are many other chapters. Do check with the playlist. Please subscribe if you haven't yet done it and keep studying with me daily. Thank you.